Today we're going to talk about Roadster Shop's Tri-5 SPEC Series chassis kit, which is what you see here. No, not that. What we're going to do is we're going to zero in on some of the specs and features that make these things so special. All right, let's start with their laser cut frame sections, which is really phenomenal. What Roadster Shop does is they start with computer-aided laser cut frame sections. Look at that. Which are then welded together by some of the best welders in the country. And the way that works is they have welders who will just specialize on Tri-5 chassis. They won't weld anything else. They know this combination of frame sections like the back of their hand. There is nothing like replacing the entire frame with this brand new heavy-duty, ultra-rigid chassis that bolts on just like the original. The frame is incredibly strong, which results in ride and handling that you just cannot get from the stock frame. You can see that Roadster Shop has completely re-engineered the crossmember for added strength without encroaching on the original floors. So this chassis is truly a bolt-on design. Let's move on to the suspension, starting at the rear. What Roadster Shop has done is replaced the original leaf springs with this parallel 4-link design using RS Fox coilovers and a panhard bar. That's that rod that goes across the back there and keeps the axle centered. The kits we provide include this beautiful fabricated 9-inch housing along with strange axles. And of course we can go ahead and get you a center section with your choice of differential type as well as the right gear ratio for your application. Up front, you're looking at fabricated tubular upper control arms and fabricated boxed lower control arms, along with Wilwood spindles, which accept disc brakes. And same as the rear, Roadster Shop-Fox custom tuned coilovers. Including in the kit is Roadster Shop's excellent front sway bar with really cool articulating end links and a Ford Fairmont aka T-Bird style rack. Roadster Shop took care of the engineering. They went ahead and positioned the rack in such a way that it fully clears whatever engine package you may have and also provides zero bump steer. Everything you see here is adjustable and designed to handle whatever abuse you can throw at it, whether it's autocross or road racing, the worst potholes, or just cruising around on the street. Up here at the front, you can see that Roadster Shop has gone the extra mile to make sure that the bumpers, everything bolts on just like the original. Our kit, as shown on our website, includes a front sway bar, engine and transmission mounts, stainless steel hard lines, already pre-bent and installed, body mounts, and a stainless steel gas tank that's designed to fit right between the frame rails. We can sell you the chassis, help you install it, powder coat it, build you an entire car. However you want to approach this build, Kilgore Kustoms is here to help.